Let me show you how to meal plan for the week. First, I add activities that will interfere with meal times right into my meal planner. This way, I know what days I need a quick and easy dinner for those nights. Next, I head over to start shopping my fridge. It gives me a good overview of what I have, any essentials that I need, leftovers that I can use, and anything else that needs to be used up. Next, I go and shop my pantry. Again, it gives me a good idea of essentials that we might need to stock back up on. I can take inventory on breads and find any potential ingredients for this week's menu. I was able to compile a couple of meals just from that. I pulled banana muffins and egg muffins out of the freezer, and I also had some pie crust, so I'm going to use that steak leftover and make a quiche this week. I grabbed these burger patties from Flash Foods last week, so I'm pulling them out of the freezer to thaw. Now I just list out the dinners that I put together from things that are already at home, and then I plot them out into the meal planner, saving easier dinners for those busier nights. Some meals I didn't have all the ingredients for, so I'll just add them to the grocery shopping list as I go. Like this beef stroganoff, I needed egg noodles. I'm using Kroger delivery, so first I'll check out the weekly ads, making sure to check out the weekly digital deals. Place order and meal plan is done.